Athena.
I'm Luke.
I'm Mariah.
I'm Lester.
And I'm Bea.
And we're going to talk about permutations.
The first thing you need to know about permutation is that the order is important.
There are also different formulas that we use in order to get the permutation of things.
Let's start with the main formula for permutation. The formula is the permutation of n taken r at a time is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial.
Let's try solving some problems using the formula.
Our first number is the permutation of 6 taken 3 at a time. So I started with this so that we will be guided. 6 factorial over 6 minus 3 factorial, which will give us 6 factorial over 3 factorial. Now, we're going to take the factorial of 6. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. We stop at 3 because our denominator is 3, so we're going to cancel. We're going to multiply 6 times 5 times 4, so our answer is 120.
Now for letter B, permutation of 10 taken 6 at a time. So 10 factorial equals 10 minus 6 factorial equals 10 factorial over 4 factorial equals 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 4 factorial. Then we're going to multiply 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. So that will be 151,200.
So 12 factorial is equal to 479,001,600.
Not so hard, right guys?
Yeah!
Yeah.
The next formula is for the circular permutation. It's mainly used when people are seated at a round table.
The formula is n minus 1 factorial.
If n objects are arranged in a circle, the number of permutation is n minus 1 factorial.
Let's solve our problem using the formula.
Shall we?
Let's try to solve this word problem. In how many ways can a president and vice president be chosen from a club with 12 numbers? Our equation would be the permutation of 12 taken 2 at a time. You will get 132. So there are 132 ways a president and a vice president can be chosen from a club with 12 numbers. It's that easy!
The next formula is the Keyring permutation. It's n minus 1 factorial over 2.
The number of permutations of n different things around the keyring or bracelet is n minus 1 factorial over 2.
Let's solve a word problem.
In how many ways can 3 keys be arranged in a keyring? So n is equal to 3, so 3 minus 1 factorial over 2. So we will have 2 factorial over 2. And then 2 over 2, which is equal to 1.
And now, we're down to our last formula.
And this is
Permutation with repetition.
Its permutation is equals to n factorial over a factorial, b factorial, and c factorial, and so on.
The number of permutations of n things where a things are alike, b things are alike, and c things are alike, and so forth is n factorial over a factorial, b factorial, c factorial, and
So now we're going to use the formula for permutations with repetition. This is the formula, and we're going to use the word honor. The 5 factorial is here because honor has 5 letters. And 2 factorial is here because of the 2 letter O's. Now, we're going to solve. So 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial, we're going to stop because we're going to cancel. And the answer is 60.
And again, I'm Athena.
I'm Luke.
I'm Mariah.
I'm Lester.
And I'm Bea.
I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching!
Bye!
Is equals to 3. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. And our answer will be 6.
Factorial
permutation is equal to 5 factorial over 2 factorial because 5 is the total number of letters in the word honor, and 2 factorial because there are 2 letter O's there. The reason why there are 2 letter O's there. Yun na lang yun. Bloopers! Not so hard, right guys?
Yeah!
I don't know.
The next formula is for the circle.
It's that easy.
The next form...
Wait.
And now, we're down to our last formula.
Ulit. Kasi, first thing you need to do, sinabi,